Forgot password or pattern? Just follow me. First, you need to turn off your device. Then hold volume up and power button together. When the logo appear, release power button only. And then when the no command appear, release volume up. Hold power button again and quick volume up. We are in the recovery mode. Select wipe data factory reset using volume down. When selected, press power button. Click volume down again to select, then click power button. Our phone now is wiping data, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. Just wait guys, maybe 3 to 5 minutes to reboot the system. Okay, so don't be bored, just sit and relax. Later I will jump the video to make it short, okay? Video jump, so let's hit up, just follow me. It's all done. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.